Welcome to my channel. Are you struggling with weak Wi-Fi outdoors or in certain parts of your home? In this video, I'll show you how to set up and reset the WAVLINK AX1800 Outdoor Wi-Fi 6 extender step by step. Let's get started and boost your Wi-Fi signal right away. Set up via web browser, first time installation. 1. Power on the extender. Plug the WAVLINK AX1800 Outdoor extender into a power outlet. Wait until the LED indicator turns solid or blinking blue. 2. Connect to the extender. On your PC, phone, go to Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the extender's default SSID, something like WAVLINK_4X. Default password is usually printed on the device label. 3. Access the setup page. Open a browser and type http://wifi.wavlink.com. Log in using default credentials, commonly admin. 4. Choose operation mode. Select repeater, extender mode. Scan and select your home Wi-Fi network. Enter your existing Wi-Fi password. 5. Configure Wi-Fi name and password. You can keep the same SSID as your router, for seamless roaming, or create a new one. Save settings, and the extender will reboot. 6. Placement. Place the extender halfway between your router and the area with weak signal. Ensure it's within range of the main Wi-Fi router for stable connectivity. Quick tips. Use WPA2, WPA3 security for best performance. For outdoor placement, ensure weatherproof installation. Always update firmware from the admin panel for stability. That's how you can easily set up and reset your WAVLINK AX1800 Wi-Fi 6 extender. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more Wi-Fi setup tutorials. For instant help call 1-800-915-5645.